Hey, my beautiful people, welcome back to SoulSync. It's Dovey here, and before we dive in, I just want to take a moment to say how much I appreciate all your love and support. I know you've been rooting for me, and it means the world. Let's make this dream a reality. Help me hit 1K subscribers before the new year begins. If you haven't already, please subscribe, share, and show some love so we can keep growing together. Now, let's jump into today's topic, knowing when it's time to let go of your crush. We've all been there, holding on to feelings for someone who might not feel the same way or isn't giving us what we deserve. So, how do you know it's time to move on? Here are 7 signs it might be time to let go of your crush. And trust me, letting go doesn't mean you lose. It means you're choosing yourself. Let's dive in. 1, they never make the effort. Let's start with effort. If you're always the one initiating texts, calls, or plans, and they never meet you halfway, that's a red flag. Relationships, romantic or not, are a two-way street. If you find yourself overthinking every message you send, waiting hours for a reply, or feeling like you're carrying the entire connection, it's time to ask yourself, are they really into you, or are you chasing someone who's not interested? Letting go here frees up space for someone who will make the effort. 2, they only see you as a friend. Here's the thing, if they've clearly said or shown they only see you as a friend, take their word for it. Crushing on someone who doesn't feel the same way isn't just heartbreaking. It's also unfair to you. Sure, staying friends might feel like a way to stay close, but deep down, it often leads to more pain. It's okay to put some distance between you two to heal and refocus on yourself. You're constantly talking about someone else. If your crush is always bringing up someone else, whether it's an ex, a current interest, or someone they admire, it's a sign their mind isn't focused on you in the same way. Hearing them talk about someone else can sting, but it's also a reality check. They might not see you as a romantic option, and that's okay. It's better to move on than to sit in the shadow of someone else. 4, you're compromising your happiness. A crush should feel exciting, not draining. If thinking about them makes you more stressed or sad than happy, it's time to evaluate what this connection is doing for you. Sometimes we idealize our crushes, ignoring how their actions, or lack of them, make us feel. Ask yourself, does this crush make me feel good about myself, or am I losing my sense of worth, waiting for them to notice me? 5, they're giving mixed signals. One day they seem interested, and the next they're cold. If your crush's behavior is leaving you confused or constantly second-guessing their intentions, it's not fair to you. Mixed signals are often just a polite way of saying they're not fully into it. Instead of trying to decode their every move, take it as a sign to focus on someone who's clear about how they feel. 6, you're putting your life on hold. If you're saying no to opportunities, avoiding other potential connections, or holding back on your goals because you're waiting for your crush to make a move, it's time to reassess. Life doesn't wait, and neither should you. It's okay to hope for something to work out, but don't pause your life for someone who isn't meeting you where you're at. 7, you're afraid to let go. Here's the hardest one. If the thought of letting go feels scarier than holding on, it's probably because you're scared of what's next. And that's normal, but holding on to something one-sided isn't fair to you. Letting go doesn't mean you're giving up. It means you're making room for something better. And trust me, something better always comes when you prioritize yourself. So, my beautiful people, those are 7 signs it's time to let go of your crush. I know it's hard, but letting go isn't the end. It's the beginning of something amazing for you. If this resonated, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to SoulSync for more real talk and relationship advice. And tell me in the comments, have you ever had to let go of a crush? How did you do it? Let's talk about it. Until next time, remember, choosing yourself is always the right choice.